How to get Nike coupons and early access discounts. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get free access discount, early access, and discounts on the Nike app. The first thing you're going to have to do is make sure to log into Nike.com with your account. Now, there are quite a few ways to gain coupons and early access discounts. The first one is joining the Nike membership. It's for free, so what it does is it can grant you access to exclusive perks, early product drops, and member-only item. You could also get free shipping for $50 plus purchase, different birthday offers, and then app-based deals. So in order to get that, you can go ahead and sign into Nike.com/membership. So let's just go ahead and search for it on a new tab, Nike.com/membership. Hit enter. It'll be taken directly to the membership page. Now you can just sign up for free. The second thing you can do is get early access and members product drop. So via the app, members can get notified about early access and can purchase limited edition shoes before the general release. Then you could also get a member product tag. So the item marked this way are reserved for members only. You just need to sign in to access these items. Now to unlock targeted coupons and discounts, you can get birthday month rewards like receiving an exclusive coupon, typically $10 to $15 during your birthday month, and you could also get a email sign up. So you can signing up, the triggers a $20 off up to all the way up to $100 off. Will get you can get those kind of offers for free just by signing up with the email. And you could also look out for Nike's official sites like Instagram, so instagram.com/Nike. They keep releasing a few discount codes here and there on their sites, so you can just keep an eye out on them. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.